Good morning, and this is Abraham with one more Flash CS4 tutorial, and today we'll be loading images into Stage using only ActionScript. For this, we just check the file name and the path of our image file, and we have an empty stage. All we need to do now is write the script. Our website say-web.com currently has close to 300 daily visitors, and many of them come from the code. Yes, they want to copy, they want to cut the code so they can customize, they can make changes. So it's always a good idea to have a well-documented code, so whoever comes, these visitors, they can use and can know what they are doing. So that's why we are writing a few lines of code right now. So whoever needs is welcome to come, is welcome to copy. Everything that you see on the site is free to use, is free to distribute. All right, the basic structure of our image loader is very, very similar to the loading of a HTML text or text. All we need is two variables. One is the URL request. That's what we are writing now. Rec is the name I gave. URL request is stating that it's not a number, it's not a string, but a URL class instance. And let's put into the URL request the path. The URL request is nothing but the path. The path in this case, since the FLA file is sitting together in the same folder as the file you want to import, all we need for the URL request is the file name. It could be a PNG, GIF, JPEG, it could be BMP. And now let's create the loader. Now note that the ActionScript is case sensitive, therefore loader with a lowercase is the name of the variable I created, and loader with a capital case is a class. So loader is the name of the loader that we'll be using to be a recipient of the URL request. As you can see, I use the load method to put the rec. Rec is the URL request. At this point, the image is loaded, but is not yet displayed into Stage. Once again, it is in the flash memory, but we have to add it to Stage. That's where the addChild method comes. Let's put addChild loader. That's the name of our loader, and semicolon. Let's test the script for syntax errors, and everything would run fine until now. Nevertheless, we have to save, yes, otherwise we have a error message stating I don't know where the file is. So it's always good to give meaningful names, and we're going to navigate to the folder where the image file is sitting at. And let's put this, let's save a name here, and time to move on. Let's test our movie, control test movie, and you can press Control Enter on the PC, and there we go, works. But we have a small problem, actually a big problem, is that the image is bigger than the stage. Two solutions in this case: we could either shrink the image or easier enlarge the stage, and that's what we'll be doing now. Let's go on to stage properties, and let's change the dimensions. Here you go, 750 pixels for sure will do it. Time to test a movie. My email shows at the end of this tutorial. Welcome to send suggestions, questions, remarks, and thanks for watching my tutorial.